We'll guide you through how to make animation in Ibis Paint. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your Ibis Paint by double-clicking the icon. Then choose My Gallery. Next, select the plus logo on the top bar menu. Scroll down a little bit, and then choose the animation canvas. Pick the canvas size based on your animation needs. After that, choose the FPS that match to your animation. To start the animation, you can directly draw your object at the canvas. Use combination of brush tools, shape tools, and other tools that can support your process. If you need a repeating object that stays static, choose your current frame. Select the three dots option on the frame bar. Choose Duplicate Layer. Duplicate it as many as you need. To secure your object, always draw or designing on new layer. It will prevent unnecessary mistake like overlapping object. It will also easier the process of erasing or correcting the drawing and coloring error. You can also adding an image by using Import Image at the layer option. It will secure your detail for moving immutable object at your animation. Since it is need to draw frame per frame, take your time to design. No need to rush. Take your time to reviewing frame by frame to control the quality. When all of your frame already done, you can preview your animation. Select the triangle icon on the frame bar. It will play the animation. When you finish, render your animation by using the export option. Choose Save Animated Video. Set the format, and then click OK to render it. Make sure the settings are correct before exporting so the result matches your expectations. Check again each frame for small errors that might appear during playback. Adjust timing if the motion feels too fast or too slow. You can return to the frame list and edit any part that needs improvement. Use layers wisely to separate elements like background and moving objects. This helps you stay organized and maintain clean workflow. Keep saving your project regularly to avoid losing progress. If needed, experiment with different brushes and styles to enhance your animation. Practice will improve your speed and consistency over time. Once everything looks good, finalize the export and store the files safely on your device.